Hello guys, today I'll show you how to get online banking on your phone. Firstly, go to your phone's App Store or Google Play Store and search for bank's official mobile banking app. If your bank with HDFC, you'd search for HDFC Bank Mobile Banking or similar for other banks. Now tap the download and install button of the app on your phone. You may need to provide information like your account number, registered phone number, email, and other details. Banks often verify your phone number using an OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number. Set up your mobile number banking credentials such as a username and PIN or password for secure access. Now all you have to do is to open the app and log in with your username and password. Then, for ease of access, many apps allow to set up a fingerprint or face recognition login, so you don't have to enter your credentials every time. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.